Kickstart your day with a blend of apple cider vinegar and lemon juice, a drink known to detox the body, lower blood sugar, support weight loss efforts, and improve digestion. Add some fruit juice or spices for extra flavor. Start your day right with this apple cider vinegar and lemon juice drink. This recipe can help boost your health, including lowering your blood sugar, aiding in weight loss, and improving your digestion. In this video, we will talk about apple cider vinegar and lemon juice, when, how, and how often to drink this blend. But before that, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and put like to the video. Many of us have heard all the amazing health benefits of apple cider vinegar, but of course, the taste can be a bit hard to swallow. You also don't want straight vinegar on your teeth, so it doesn't erode the tooth enamel. Mixing it up with some other healthy ingredients will give you a delicious drink you can feel good. Making the drink with both apple cider vinegar and lemon juice has many benefits. But what stands out for me is the feeling of well-being within 15 seconds of drinking. Now let's talk about the potential health benefits of this apple cider vinegar drink with lemon juice. Point 1. Good source of vitamin C. Lemons and other citrus fruits are packed with vitamin C, which is key for immune function and high in antioxidants. While there is more benefit in eating a whole lemon, that can be hard to do with its sour taste. Use a slice of lemon as much as possible in foods and drinks, and add a fresh squeeze of lemon juice and get some of the pulp to maximize the benefit. 2. Helps to support gut health. Apple cider vinegar is made from the fermentation of fresh apples. The natural sugar from the apples convert into alcohol, which then converts to acetic acid. If you've ever seen apple cider vinegar in a bottle, you'll notice remnants of the good bacteria that converts the alcohol to acetic acid. This bacteria has dozens of strains of natural probiotics that helps to support the gut. 3. Aids in digestion. Apple cider vinegar has enzymes that help to break down foods and aid in digestion. In particular, if you use ACV that has the mother in the bottle, just be sure to give the bottle a good shake to stir up the remnants at the bottom of the bottle before each use. In addition, fresh lemon juice with a bit of pulp can help with digestion. 4. May help to lower blood sugar. In a small study, researchers found that the acetic acid in vinegar can help to lower blood sugar levels. Participants were given white bread to eat and split into different groups and given different amounts of vinegar. All groups who consumed vinegar had better blood sugar levels compared to the group that didn't consume vinegar at all. 5. May help to suppress appetite. Researchers found that participants who consumed ACV daily had a smaller appetite than those who didn't take it. It's believed the acetic acid in ACV may help to slow stomach emptying and give the body a feeling of fullness for a longer period. 6. May aid in weight loss. There are several studies that show that regular consumption of ACV can help with weight loss and body fat. In one study, researchers found that subjects that took vinegar regularly had lower body weight, BMI body mass index, and less belly fat, while ACV alone likely won't help you lose weight. It can be part of your daily routine along with a healthy diet and exercise. 7. May help to reduce cholesterol. Researchers in another study found that apple cider vinegar helped to significantly lower triglycerides and total cholesterol while raising high-density lipoprotein HDL cholesterol, known as the good cholesterol. How to make an apple cider vinegar and lemon juice drink and ingredients. Making this blend is easy and simple. You need apple cider vinegar, fresh lemon juice, and water. How to make. Step 1. Fill a glass with water 1 cup 8 ounces. Make sure the water is not cold, but room temperature or slightly warmer. Step 2. Stir into tablespoons of apple cider vinegar from your refrigerated bottle. Step 3. Stir in 1 tablespoon of apple juice, 1 tablespoon of lemon juice, and a pinch of cinnamon. Step 4. Drink at once or refrigerate for up to 5 days. How often to drink ACV detox drink? Because of the high level of acidity, there is a general consensus that it is best and mostly healthfully valuable to drink this ACV detox drink only once a day.